vision that we had for High Signs is to remain the sign experts. We've been the sign experts since 1974. Every single sign order that we create is made right here in the City of Champions. We created a new order manufacturing system which tracks every order through the entire life cycle, from artwork all the way to manufacturing and install. Customers can give us inquiries anywhere throughout the process. We can tell them exactly where their sign is in the queue.
I've been in the business for 25 years. Well, I think what makes the High Sign stand out is just our commitment to quality and service.
I've been in the industry now since 1985. We would be doing everything from flat signage to cutout aluminum letters, LED lit channel letters, right up to freestanding pylons. We have signs out there that have been out for 20 years now and they still look great.
There's 45 people here, full-time, 12 months a year, focused on signage only. I don't think most people realize that we operate out of a 55,000 square foot facility. So we've tried to design and tailor our service to, I guess, view it from the customer's perspective. To me, there's nothing more important to knowing how much is my sign going to cost, avoiding overruns and extra charges, and knowing exactly when I'm going to get it. And High Signs, took the next step and went to e-commerce. So High Signs currently has a dozen e-commerce stores, including trafficsupply.ca and trafficrentals.ca. Every customer is welcome to tour our facility and see their sign in their order fabrication, which speaks volumes to our friendly, open culture.
I've been with the company for 3 years now. I oversee the whole art department team. The most important thing for a sign is to convey the message.
I've been in the sign and graphics industry for over 25 years. My favorite type of signs are signs that have a unique architectural design. One of our most important initiatives is our safety initiative. We have over 1,000 continuous work days of accident-free manufacturing here at High Signs.
So my name's Robert Oming, Polar Park Brewing Co., Second Life. You guys stood by your word. You delivered the sign on time. You kind of walked us through the process. I got to see pictures and I got to attend the facility.
Well, I've been in business here for 6 months now, so opened at the start of April. The signs themselves are beautiful, were made perfectly to spec, and they're eye-catching and definitely a big feature of how this front space looks. So the neon sign itself, people have great things to say about. They're eye-catching in a way that the previous signs and an awning sign that was here previously could never have done. So I'm very happy with it.
We're always proud to see all of the signs that we create for the City of Champions, our City of Champions, which, we're out there driving them every day, and, my wife can't help but get annoyed every time I pass by one of the signs and point out, we made that one, we made that one. And I'm always driving around turning my head wondering, is that a sign that we made?